So this again, this little stove are new to them, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, we never used it before.
No, sir.
7 years, and this is our first time touching the coal.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
But we are only going to make it look good.
A little bit of coconut there.
And this right now, I am some fritters may I deal with them now. Fritters, pomodoro. I deal with them now.
Yes.
So, and some baking powder, saltfish, and of course.
So you can check the baking powder right in with the fish.
Yeah, man.
And some
Put
flour.
the flour. Everything I gonna mix up, you know.
You told me your mother always used to make fritters for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I may always make it. Always have fritters, man, you know, everywhere. But me people eat. Always don't get no there, you know. Me fry my fritters and eat. When nobody know in the yard. Just like this, you know.
Yeah. You know what? This is one of those ones that I've been meaning to try at home and still haven't got around to for some reason, because it is such a simple one. And it's delicious. And I know you measure everything by hand. Is there an amount of flour that you're sort of aiming for, or it's more of a texture that you're going for? Like once it's thick enough, you know?
Yeah, man.
So you can just keep adding as you need to, yeah?
Come in.
Oh, it's ready.
Yeah.
What? So you want the pan pretty hot, right? On this one, Mokko?
Yeah, but not hot, then I'll rock. You want to see long pack? Doing it.
Too hot?
I can't ember and that
It is the first time cooking on these ones, so I'm trying to figure out the control.
Yeah.
Some simple natural oil.
I experienced me and fried fritters with saltfish and pomodoro.
The big one.
That's
That might be the biggest fritter I ever seen you make. What else do you put in fritters sometimes?
What else?
Yeah.
Well, sometimes I use boil. I put the Karud sometimes.
Oh.
Karud fritters, you know, but I boil it first. 4 cups. 4 cups.
So that would be a nice ITAL one.
One time and anything, you know. But you know, long time in this one, I just roll it natural like, you know. Yeah, man.
But time you can add in a
Skilling on time, skilling on time. Yeah, man, skilling on time. Skilling on time, I do it, you know.
And sometimes they get a little rounder too, I've seen you do.
I was dumpling that one, man.
Oh, okay.
Not real fritters business.
So these are
fritters, Bubba.
That is a huge one.
Yes, Matthew.
Go big or go home.
You dead giant one, you see them?
Bonus breakfast.
Done.
Boy, we've got so many good looking plantains from the garden, from the farm. Gotta go for it.
I got a part of the business, part of business on the farm. Part.
Yes, Junior. Man, they cook quick in this thing. What's the trick to frying plantain the right way?
No trick no there. You know, I'm not trick. We just put it down on the belly as well. That's why yesterday I did them there. Them are ripe, you know, Matthew, so they won't take no time, you know.
I was gonna say, it's been like 30 seconds, I feel, and they're already browning up really nice.
Get no time on the plant. Get no time to plant and try Bubba.
Fresh from Rasta Slow Farm to the table for you. I love these. And these were so sweet. We were eating them just raw the other day, and they were awesome.
But people always essentially from a fritters business, you know. You're going to have it with saltfish. So that's the only thing. People now got some people cook it fried straight, but some people don't fry it straight. Some people just use the straight flour, you know, nothing more.
No baking powder even?
No, sir, I don't want that one. I baking powder to make it come up, you know, raise, you know.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, to make it come up, you know. Yeah, man, I always make them, that's why I know about them, how to make them. I make them in every style, you know. Yeah, man, I make them in a patty style with all the thing there, with all pop chow. Cook the pop chow and make it. I just vegetarian like that, you know. That's why I come and make the fritters.
And this one's...
Cook up the pop chow. Cook the pop chow, you know. And put the mix it, do it with the flour just like this. Color the same way. Everything same way, brother. Everybody go for fry plant, you know, everywhere, you know. Yeah. People like it.
Money.
Everything done. Oh man, but you fuck around that for me bunny. Big boat land. this is it now, right now. Appetizers and fried plantain, coffee. So we're ready to eat now.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
And these are some seriously nice looking fritters.
Some nice looking fritters.
Check the pomodoro.
Fritters.
Ching!
Ching. Good, huh?
So nice.
You know.
Oh, love the pomodoro.
Eating fritters right now, saltfish, fried plantain, drinking coffee. But me not the coffee man, me the straight bush tea man, you know. Rice kitchen, you know.
Don't go in there, don't go in there.
Rice kitchen now, you know. Rice new kitchen. So big up every fan. We in here doing new video. New kitchen, everything. You know. A blessed love. Respect.